Distinguished Senator Henry Siraki Dixon, the original White Shark, our special guest of honor, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, distinguished senators that are here, the Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, the Secretary to the State Government, members of the State Executive Council, other members of the House of Assembly that are here, members of the National Assembly that are here, our royal fathers, more especially our host, the Amiable of Abonima, and other highly revered majesties and highnesses that are here with us. State elders, Dr. Samson Jaja, Chief David Breeze, and a good number of you that are here. Let me also recognize specially the very large entourage that came with our special guest of honor. For want of time, I wouldn't want to start mentioning names. You've already spent more than 2 hours here. I would like to not lean on the protocol, because I've already observed all the protocols. Let me specially recognize the Vice Chairman of our territory, have shown capacity this afternoon in the face of fear that is running in the stomach of a lot of people. I want to thank you for having the boldness to stand with us. Let me especially also recognize my primary constituency, because they're always here with us. The permanent secretaries, head of parastatals and other agencies that are here. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very happy that I am performing this very, very special function in the heart of the Kalabari Kingdom. I know what it really means to me as a person. And if you understand the politics of our dear state, you will understand that standing here today is a statement to the people of Kalabari that we are with you, we will support you, we will improve the state of the 3 local government areas in this Kalabari. I did mention to you that while we continue with our anniversary, this anniversary is not a year anniversary, it's a 4-month anniversary. If you understand when we were liberated, you understand why I said it's a 4-month anniversary. I mentioned that I'll be going with a white paper. The essence of this paper to give you accurate records. Although the permanent secretary did mention a few things, and I know that when we leave here, some agents will want to say one thing or the other. So I came prepared. Let me also say it here. Maybe Julius Badger has been a with presentation before my table or on my table as I'm talking to you today. There is a request for variation for the cost of the project, because as at the time this project was awarded and while the project was ongoing, there was serious exchange difference. But I told them not to worry, that they should go ahead and complete this project, that we will sort them out, and they accepted. For the record, this project was awarded on the 18th of February by the immediate past administration, and in the month of March, the first payment for the project was done, and the next one was in April, and the third one was in May. The total value of this project is 21.2 billion, and out of that, 6 billion was what the previous administration committed. And when we came on board, we said go ahead, that we are not cutting it short, because we know that the project is for the benefit of our people. I can boldly say that the balance of 15.2 have been paid completely. So for those of you that are mathematicians, and even those of you who understand very elementary statistics, will understand that the sense of this job was done by this administration. Therefore, we can boldly say that this project was delivered by this administration. But it's not even an issue. It's not an issue. But the reason why we have to go when I say this line, is just to explain to our people so that you understand where we were and exactly where we are now. Originally, our mantra was supposed to be consolidation and continuity. And if that is our mantra, success of our administration should not be ascribed to anybody, but to the success of the administration, to the success of governance, knowing fully well that one will serve out his tenure, another will continue, and government is a continuous process. But what we are faced with, we have no other option but to explain so that we understand what we are doing. For those people who said we've not been doing anything, to know that we've been doing a lot, silently, not with noise or media exaggeration. Let me assure our people, as I've said before, government is a government that is focused. This government is a government that wants the forgotten people to feel the impact of governance. This government is a government that wants to give opportunity to everyone. You don't need to be close to me. You don't need to come. I don't even want you to come close to me. That's the truth, because I see it as psycho fancy. What we need to do, we will do. for our people. So let me thank the 4 local government areas who cooperated to make this project a success. The Emowa local government, the Asadetoro, the Degema, and the Akokotoro. And let me also thank the traditional leadership of the Kalabari Kingdom. Please, just be peaceful. Everything that we desire by the special grace of God will definitely come our way. I'm happy that you did mention about the Trans-Kalabari. We're not going back on that. Let me say it here. My and back people. The original arrangement, if the road was supposed to go in to Tombia directly, would take us from Obakri. And if we have to go through Obakri, it's going to be a very high maritime line. There's no way we can afford that. That is why we're taking it through the other route, the route of Rumolumene. But the road will get to your place within my administration lifespan. So I want you to relax. Don't bother. We make promises and we'll keep up to that promises. You're paying your tax. Your taxpayer money will be used judiciously for you. Let me also say that I haven't heard what the Majesty said. I will ask, I'm directing the Permanent Secretary immediately commence the ending this road from Teme Junction to Abonima. That's the first part of it. We will take that of Ifoko and the bridge. I'm aware of the bridge. So don't worry, we will touch all those areas. So say here that whatever we announce in this arena, we will execute them to the glory of God. I want to thank every one of you for your support. Thanking you specially for your support during the time of the election, before, during, and the one are getting. And the support is what is shocking the whole world. We don't have any assembly. We don't have any government chairman, as they said. But we have the people. And the people is the most important thing. I assure the people that will not disappoint them. We will live as a government that has God, that is purposeful for the people. Let me thank every one of you for your support. I assure you that we will not let you down. We will not bring any form of disgrace. But I'm not asking you to be violent. No need for it. The most important thing is our course. We will follow it lawfully to the end. Lawfully to the end. And by the special grace of God, we are on top of the situation. Let me also ask, it's a special request. You must support Mr. President. We have a problem in the riverine areas. more especially in this axis of the state. It is the issue of bunkering. It's the issue of vandalization of our natural resources. It's the state wealth. It is what we benefit from. It is what gives us the enablement to embark on all these projects. So if we are part of those people that are sabotaging, it is not good for us. When you watch most of the reports on the activity of the Navy, you will see that greater part of these bunkering activities are done by us, more especially this area. I want to appeal to you. There are other justified and clean means of livelihood. We must not subject ourselves to economic sabotage. Please, I'm appealing to you. It is better we desist from it. I'm going to constitute a very, very high delegation that will visit these areas and talk to the leadership, the chiefs, and the community health so that we can improve on our present state. When we have more resources from this area, it brings more resources to the state. It brings more resources to the country. Mr. President can do more projects, and SIM can also do more projects. After all, you want me to do more projects, is it not? Yes. So support me in this fight to end bunkering and oil line vandalization. Let me, on this note, thank everyone and specially invite our special guest of honor to come talk to us. He understands our problem because he's one of us. He will come talk to you in the language that you understand and commission this project to the glory of God. Thank you. God bless you.